up. Okay, I look terrible, but I don't care. Like, I just woke up, having breakfast, leftovers from last night. It's camping life. Thanks. The pro level. Gotta reach that point at some point. We're not there yet. We just got a tent in a little house. Not house, car. I was looking at a house, that's why I said house. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm going swimming now. I didn't know you had to swim. Ah! I'm gonna go again.
It's quite cold.
I'm gonna go again. Go swimming! Woo! It's cold! Ah! It actually is cold. Worth it! Cold but worth it! Yeah, I see it. Got my shoes, got my GoPro thing. I'm so helpless. Thanks, guys. I can't believe I forgot my shoes too. And I didn't realize I forgot them, only because of the GoPro. Shoes aren't important, this little plastic thing is.
We had a fire on.
And we have food.
And we have food.
Barbecue, working this time. It looks like we're in someone's like backyard, you know? Just having a barbecue in someone's backyard. Living the Tassie life. Most beautiful burger I've ever seen. You okay? Love the view. Oh no, oh, you can't lift me, oh no, help! So we just decided to sleep in the car and have some dinner. Bread and Pringles and what do they call it? Lemingtons. Because we're too lazy to cook pasta. Situation.
What time is it? 8 o'clock?
10 past 8. Two adults, or one adult and two children, whatever child. They tell us this after we cross the bridge with 3 adults.